Welcome to my channel, Cold and Delicious. Today we will be making the viral carrot ribbon salad by Cassie. I know she is on TikTok. I'm not sure what other platform she is on, but this has been everywhere for months and months now, so I figured why not? Now, all three of these are slightly different, but they are all Asian inspired flavors. I love Asian food. Asian and Ethiopian food are my favorites. I've already washed and kind of skinned my carrot. You know, you just take off like the outer layer. The tip that I saw was a lady took a fork, and this was so simple and so smart. Just stick the fork in the very end of the carrot. Okay, and now you have somewhere to hold it steady versus using your fingers, and you just take your peeler. You're gonna need some type of peeler. I like using this one. This one I like using to peel my cucumbers and get the skin off my carrots, stuff like that. But this one I really love for the ribbons. Now, all you do, hold it down nice and firm, okay? Lay it flat and just skin that bad boy, all right? That's it. And then you'll just be left with a little end. So I just cut this off. And then you can save it, eat it. Don't just throw it away though. Now you have these little ribbons. Let's just do the cucumber, and I'm gonna show you guys. So when you have your hands here, like you see with the carrot, it's much smaller. So it's a lot easier to kind of get your fingers. I call these the cucumber ribs. Usually when you go to sushi restaurants, they leave the seeds out, or certain recipes, some salad recipes will call for you to leave the seeds out because they add that extra water. So when I do cut them out, I love this part. It's so good with some salt and pepper. Y'all, it's so good. I know somebody's gonna get me for calling it ribs, but I don't care. I just call it that because it's in the middle. Ooh. I'm gonna kind of measure a little bit of something for y'all just so I can kind of maybe see, but we're not gonna really measure today. So let's go over the ingredients. So we have some sesame oil, chili crisp. I think this is fried chili crisp. Yeah, fried chili oil. Some soy sauce that is clearly almost out. So replacement, we're gonna have to use some coconut aminos. Hopefully things are still kicking. I might do a little taste test to see how similar they are because I really don't know. But coconut aminos is a good soy sauce alternative if you are soy free. And then we have some rice vinegar, sesame seeds. I'm not toasting them. I just don't feel like it, okay? Minced garlic in this jar, and y'all are gonna love it, okay? I don't care. Minced garlic. That's what they call it, okay? Then over here, we chopped up that cilantro, the green onion, and then we have some ginger, some fresh ginger that we're gonna grate. At least, listen, at least I got the real ginger, so y'all can't hate too much. Let's get this started, you guys. I am kind of curious to see the difference between this soy sauce and this coconut aminos. Okay. Why did I have to taste soy sauce? I know what the hell soy sauce tastes like. All right, now let's do the coconut aminos. Interesting. Definitely tastes like soy sauce initially, but then a sweetness comes in that I'm not too fond of. I'm not a big sweet person, but it says original sweet and savory. I think we'll be okay to use it still. So let me change my little spoon out for y'all be talking while I was licking and stuff and putting it back in the containers. Let's start with the garlic. That ain't enough. That much garlic, okay? Our little fried chili crisp in oil. About 1.5 tablespoons of the sesame oil. Let's go on with the soy sauce now. See what we can get. Not even a whole tablespoon. About a half a tablespoon. Let's do, wow, it doesn't have nearly as much sodium as that soy sauce. So let's pull it up. Pull it up, pull it up. Okay. Let's go on with a little rice vinegar now. Let's do 2 of these. Green onion. Let's add in some cilantro. I don't think it was in the original recipe that Cassie made, but I did see somebody recreate it with cilantro, and I love cilantro, so why not? Now let's go ahead and grate some of this fresh ginger up in here. I got a plan. Don't grate them fingers up. Now let's add some sesame seed. Try not to use my fingers that I just used to grate. So pretty. Oh wow, look at how juicy that is. The color, I'm just ready to taste this. I cannot even lie. It's a little spicy. That's good. But I think if I had actual soy sauce, it would be 10 times better. So with that being said, I'm gonna put a little salt in here because that's what I think it is missing. It's just a little salt. Do some pink Himalayan. Let's mix her up. Baby girl just need a little salt. Hopefully I'm not too close. One of the other reasons why this carrot salad is going viral is because it's not only good, like taste wise, it's amazing for you. As long as you don't drown it, I'm assuming in soy sauce, so the sodium level shoots through the roof. Carrots are amazing for you guys. If you're dealing with skin problems, hormonal issues, carrots are going to be your friend because the carrots actually contain beta carotene, which the body does convert into vitamin A, which makes it amazing for your skin's health. This is great for gut health. This is great to regulate your hormones because carrots do help to get rid of excess estrogen. Get you some carrots in that diet, okay? So nice little hint of sweetness from the carrots and the coconut aminos, plus some nice heat from that chili crunch. I just had to do a store run because I'm like, I need to get the soy sauce. I wanted to go to the closest thing possible, and I thought I could trust Family Dollar because I love me a good Dollar Tree, love me a good bargain. What's Chestnut Hill? They don't even sound like they're supposed to be making soy sauce. I did check the ingredients though, and they look all right, so we're gonna use it. All right, so we're gonna do this recipe on the fly. I just want it to be different than the other salad, so yeah. Matter of fact, let's just go for it. We'll just use a little tiny drop of this gochujang. What should I be said? Little drop of this chickpea miso. Let's bust open our Chestnut Hill. Oh. I don't know why I decided to pour that with my left hand. I got this shredder tool from Amazon. I don't think I have it here, so I can't show you, but yeah, this thing is pretty freaking cool. This was my first time using it, and I really did like the results. And it shreds so easily, so I'll have to show you guys one day. Let's do a little rice vinegar, a little sesame oil. Everything else might honestly be the same. A little garlic, chili oil, some sesame seeds. Oh, we definitely gonna put some green onions up in here. This looks really good. I just hope I didn't put too much soy sauce. Ooh, ginger. Ooh, she's spicy. She's spicy, real cool and crisp because that rice vinegar is good, but it's definitely missing something. Maybe some agave opposed to some sugar. But that's nice though. Trust me. Whoa. And before I put it away, just to show y'all, this is a gochujang hot pepper paste, and this is the chickpea miso. So let's do a little hint of agave. I feel like this sweetness will balance this out nicely. Okay, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I feel like it's gonna do it. See, now that's crazy because now I feel like I could have used that darn coconut aminos. I done went to the store to go get soy sauce and replaced. I'm making such a mess. Excuse me. But let me put this to the side because I'm supposed to be saving this for like a picture or something, and I'm about to eat it all. Now we're gonna bring these bad boys back out. Y'all see all this watermelon juice? I juiced a whole bunch of watermelon last night. So all of that came from one watermelon, plus I already drank some today. And then I juiced some yellow watermelon and put it in the freezer. All right, y'all. We ready. We ready. And we'll do our green onion, cilantro, so I did go ahead and ribbon another cucumber because I feel like it was really off balance. I gotta have some chopped peanuts, you guys. There we have it. I know I gotta get down to the bottom to that juice. Here we go. All right. Here's the deal on this one. That's really good. The combination of the carrot and the cucumber and this one, I think this is probably my favorite one so far. With that being said, I think that it could use some salt, but guys, I'm terrible when it comes to salt. But I would say either some more salt or some soy sauce. Let's see. Because I'm going to do one or the other. I ain't going to lie to y'all. Now, I don't know if this is my favorite flavor combination yet out of the three, but this texture contrast and carrots are like more comforting and warm. And then you have the cucumber, which is like light, refreshing. I really, really like this contrast of the two together. All right, so there we have our 3 salads lined up together. We are done. So now we're going to do a taste test with all 3 of them, one after the other. I might take a bite of ginger in between because ginger is considered a palate cleanser. That's why they give you the pickled ginger with sushi usually. Let's just start with the viral carrot salad over here. Let's go on to the cucumber salad next. The way it just sops up all that juice. Let's move on to the last one. Y'all, please excuse this sauce that's about to be present on my mouth the entire rest of this clip. Greedy. It was splashing everywhere. That's the one thing I say about this salad. It sure did be splashing these ribbons flapping like dolphin tails or something. It's hard to tell. I'm still trying to see. No, Cassie might got this one. They're already in order. So the viral carrot salad from Cassie tastes the best. Then the cucumber salad, then this one. The flavors of this first one, Cassie's, is along the lines of something that I would do, I don't want to say on a normal basis to sound like, oh, it's nothing original, because that's not what I'm saying, but the flavors in here are more so in alignment with something that I would normally do for my cucumber salad. So I really like this one the best. I feel like it's the most savory, and maybe it's because I did add agave to both of these two. And again, I'm not a big sweet person, so I think that might be why, because there was no agave in this one. But I really, really love the cucumber and the carrot combination. So if I had these flavors on this combination, it would be a winner. I'm glad I made a lot because now I'm going to be able to just snack on this good and ready for me to eat. And again, depending on how much soy sauce and everything you put in it, it's going to depend on how healthy it really, really can be for you. Overall, still, the ingredients are the ingredients, okay? Have you tried this viral carrot salad yet? Drop a comment down below and let me know if you did, and what did you think? After I ended the video, I just ended up combining them all together, all 3 of them mixed together and cold. I know damn well I shouldn't be eating out this whole bowl like this. But ain't nobody here with me, so yeah. That's all, you guys. Thank you for joining me. If you have not already, make sure that you do subscribe. Thanks for watching.